Mario might not be coming to iPhone anymore. Do you remember this story?
They had a Mario game on iPhone.
I don't know what it was. It was like big news at one point in time, because Mario had never been available outside of Nintendo hardware.
Mm-hmm.
Any of the games, and then they were like, "Well, actually, he's going to come to iPhone."
Was it exclusive?
What do you mean exclusive?
That Mario app, that Mario game.
Did it actually come out? Because why does it say there it's not coming to iPhone anymore? Super Mario Run. No, that wasn't that's not a real Mario game.
But it was licensed by Nintendo.
It was licensed, but wasn't it really just Flappy Bird, or what was it? The game itself wasn't a Mario game.
It wasn't a full-fledged Mario game. It was it's kind of like a Flappy Bird type
Remember
game.
Flappy Bird?
Yeah.
Well, I don't know. I think that they were aiming at having something more similar to a Nintendo Mario experience, like on Switch, but on iPhone or iPad.
Yeah, maybe exclusive as well.
We've already heard that Mario isn't coming to the iPhone 14 anymore, but what does his creator have to say about AppleKit? In an interview with CNET about Super Mario Movie, Mario creator Miyamoto has revealed that he's a big fan of Apple, coming after the news that Nintendo would be ending its Super Mario experiment on the iPhone. It's extremely interesting, especially after what Miyamoto says about the similarities between Nintendo and Apple. Deeply integrated, I really feel the way that Apple thinks of things and the way Nintendo approaches things has a commonality. He talks about giving users unique experiences, in Nintendo's case, those beyond just gaming, such as DS hardware that guides users through the Louvre in Paris. So yeah, I guess they had that game. There was a question about whether they would continue to be working together, and it looks like it's an end to the experiment, which is a little unfortunate.
Yeah. I would think Apple and Nintendo would be great collaborators.
Somehow figure it out.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, I don't know what the limitation is. There's something really novel about Nintendo. There's something really, I don't even know. Well, obviously nostalgic. But it kind of has a cute thing going on. Is that fair?
And also standalone. Because I think, Xbox and PlayStation are very much like together.
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
They're gaming systems, but Nintendo seems to break out.
It's delight.
Yeah.
I'm looking for the word delight, not cute. Delight. It's delightful. Nintendo
Which is similar to Apple.
It's kind of similar to, even more so. Because Apple is very stark. It's like, we're here to delight you. And it's like, geez, dude. It's a little more Balenciaga. Whereas Nintendo, it looks like straight up delight. They're like red and green and Yoshi and Nintendo Land amusement park type things. And their hardware is delightful too, I think I would say.
Sure.
Colorful, and
they're not really into the cool. They're just...
Well, they have they have a different impression of what is cool.
Yeah, sure. Yeah.
As a company, it's very youthful, and so I guess they couldn't just line up. I guess they couldn't deliver the experience they wanted on that hardware.
But imagine the potential.
Yeah, the potential's huge.
Yeah.
This clip you just watched is sponsored by LaterCase. If you have been looking for an impossibly thin case to put on your brand new smartphone, you need to check out LaterCase, available for both Android and iPhone. Check the description of this clip in order to get a special offer.